Foxconn wants to boost its production in India as the company seeks alternative production sites outside of China. Foxconn, which assembles iPhones for Apple, is aiming to rely less heavily on the world's second largest economy. Beijing's zero-COVID policy forced Foxconn to cut production for months. Geopolitical issues, including concerns over a possible Chinese invasion of Taiwan, are also a growing concern, as firms could be vulnerable to any future Western sanctions imposed on Beijing. Our correspondent Charu Kartikeya joins us now from Delhi. Hi, Charu. Now, can we tell at this stage what this deal will mean for India's economy?
Well, Janelle, first of all, these seem to be unconfirmed reports because Foxconn itself is yet to confirm. In fact, on Saturday, it gave out a very clear-cut statement and saying that it has not entered into any binding or definitive agreements with any state government or the federal government in India. However, the chief minister of the state of Karnataka did announce that this deal has been signed. And so basically, whatever little we know about this is because of the statement of the chief minister. And he said that this plant is going to create about 100,000 jobs locally. Now, this will be a major boost for the employment situation in the country. Also, there have been reports that this will be a $700 million investment, which again is a big deal given the current investment climate as well as the unemployment situation. Janelle.
So final confirmation still awaited, but those are very big numbers. Now, India and China, of course, have been jockeying for regional economic dominance. What does news like this mean for a race like that?
Well, Janelle, it will definitely mean an edge for India. And this kind of buzz has already been generated because Foxconn's chairman has been visiting India. In fact, his recent visit lasted about a week long, and he met various officials. He met chief ministers of various states, and he also met Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So the buzz is very clear. We know that Foxconn has already had a presence in India for a long time, but now the chairman's week-long visit and these other reports seem to be suggesting that Foxconn is definitely eyeing expanding in India, rather moving a lot of its business from China to India. But of course, there are big numbers involved. So this shift might unfold over a long period of time, Janelle.
As you say there, not the only deal involving Foxconn on the table in India. What more can you tell us about Foxconn's presence there?
Well, Foxconn has already been making iPhones in India. It has had a facility in the southern state of Tamil Nadu since 2019. That facility employs roughly about 35,000 people. Apart from that, when the Foxconn chairman was in India recently, he signed a deal in another South Indian state of Telangana, where a new hub has been created which is known as a prototyping center. Apart from that, there are reports that Foxconn also wants to get into manufacturing of electronic vehicles in its new facility, which is likely to come up in Bangalore, in Karnataka. Then it is also eyeing the semiconductor space, which India is also trying to promote. The federal government is trying to promote India as a semiconductor destination of the future. And Foxconn is reportedly planning a joint venture with Vedanta to enter to set up a semiconductor manufacturing facility as well. So quite a lot on the cards there, Janelle.
Charu Kartikeya from Delhi, thank you very much.